Recap for landscape service businesses and LSA. This is our last call for now. To recap: 1. LSA is great because Google recommends you. 2. The green checkmark builds confidence and you get better conversions. 3. You are seen right on top of the page above even the sponsored ads and SEO, and even the maps. All the reasons why you must take advantage of it now, before there are any algorithm changes, when the same opportunity to accumulate clients may not exist. Later we will share with you how you can have a consistent flow of leads and appointments with some of our other tools. How you can automate follow-through in nurturing these past customers. And how you can have even more real estate on the first page of both Google and Bing, as some of our landscape service clients are doing. Thanks for your time. I am eager to hear your thoughts on this. Do get in touch today and text yard calls for me to reach out to you. LSA for USA.com.